Hello, this is Team Innovators 404 from JSS Science and Technology University. Our problem statement is Variable Location Tracker During Disaster. First, let me tell you about the idea or approach on how we will do this project. We are building a wearable device, a device which can be weighed on our wrist or our waist. This device contains a GPS location tracker. What the GPS location tracker does is it detects the location, and to send this location to a particular person we need to have a transmitter or a receiver. To do this project we are not using a LTE or a mobile signal based transmitting and receiving. Instead we are using a LoRa module. LoRa stands for long range. What does LoRa do is a single device may act as a transmitter, or if we can configure it as a receiver. If we configure it as a transmitter, it can transmit the signal and the data which available on the device, and which we have configured as a receiver. That receiver uh, detects this signal and gets the data in the receiving side. In this device there is a push button. As soon as we push that button, a help seeking message with the location of a person will be sent to the rescue team. At the receiving end, there is a LoRa module receiver which gets that signal and that data and show it on an app. On that app, there will be a location of the person stuck in a disaster, so that rescue team can go to the particular location and help that person. We are using LoRa technology to overcome the other modules which loses its connection when the network is not available. Obviously, as when in the case of disaster, there will be no network. That is the main idea of our project. If there is no network also, the device should be able to send and receive the signal through this LoRa module. So what we are doing is we are building a strong protected case to this device so it's unaffected of the harms. Since this device is variable, it can be placed anywhere in a jacket or a waist strap. This product will be released in disaster prone areas such that it will be available to the common people and for the rescue team. There is no need to make each receiving module for each transmitting signal. What we can do is make a single receiving device and transmit many devices through that single receiving unit. The LoRa sensors from the experimental results show that a same channel can receive 1500 signals. If there is a place like Bangalore, if the disaster happen in Bangalore, then the single receiving unit placed in Bangalore can receive 1500 data signals from each 1500 different people, so that the rescue team get each 1500 different locations and go and help them. Now I will be telling why we are using LoRa instead of any other devices. LoRa stands for long range. The main idea of our project is if a person is stuck far away from the network signal place, that LoRa module should detect that signal and should catch it. LoRa as experimental result shows that maximum range can be up to 20 kilometers. So take an example of a fisherman. If he is stuck in somewhere 10 kilometers from the coastal side, in that situation also, the LoRa sends that signal and catches it at the receiving side. Since this is the reason we are using LoRa and which has high range than other models. This is our design. We are using LoRa RA02 module and is connected to the Arduino Shield in this fashion. We are using a LM317 voltage regulator which regulates the voltage from 12 volts to 3.3 volts. We can have a LCD display in case to just to display the location, that is latitude and the longitude. The LoRa left here, the main is the device which this is the transmitter device that that contains a GPS, a LCD display and the Arduino shield and the LoRa transmitter. The LoRa right contains the LoRa receiving module and the app which is connected through the mobile. This is the main design. The simulation will be shown the next. This is the Arduino code which we have done for the simulation. Here, what the code does is, as soon as the push button is pressed, that is, button state goes to high, at that time, the latitude and the longitude of a person is sent through the transmitting device. That can be cached to the receiving signal, and that is also printed on a LCD display. This is the simulation for our project. Here I have to mention that we are using Proteus 8 professional simulation software. This software does not provide LoRa libraries so that we can use it for the simulation. So what we are doing is we are using a simple transmitter device here and simple receiving device to show the simulation. But in the actual prototype, we will be using the LoRa. Since this Proteus doesn't provide this library, we are not able to use it. This is the connection which we are making. This is the Arduino shield. Instead, in the actual prototype, we will be not using complete Arduino. We will be using only IC to make it small. Since it has to be a variable device, the device should be small. And we are using a GPS module. Instead of such a large LCD display, we can use a small LED display which is small and which will be helpful for our device. How does this project work is, as soon as the button is pressed, the GPS module which already detected the location will send its data through this transmitter, and the same will be received at the receiving side and shown on the app. Here, just for the sake of the simulation, we are showing it in a serial monitor. In a real prototype, there will be app which will be connected to the receiving unit and will be shown to the rescue team so that they can rescue people. This part on the left side will be the transmitting unit and will be mounted on a PCB. We will be designing a PCB so that the variable device is small and all these devices can be mounted on it. Here we can see that the transmitting and the receiving side has an antenna. What we are doing is we will be mounting that antenna on PCB2 similar to that of ESP8266 that has a mounted antenna already in it. This is the result of our project. As soon as the push button is pressed, the help seeking message saying that need help struck in this location with the latitude and longitude will be sent to the receiving unit to the rescue team so that the rescue team can detect this location with latitude and longitude and help the person stuck in the situation. This is the app which will be with the rescue team on the receiving unit. As soon as the person stuck in the disaster sends the location, the LoRa module at the receiving end receives this signal and shows the location on the app. This is a simple message which I am showing here from laptop to this app. So this is our project which we have mainly focused on building a device which sends and receives the signal even during disaster when there is no LTE signal or mobile message signal. Thank you.